So see, uh, let us see what is MATLAB. The word, let's say, what is MATLAB? So, well, as we already discussed that the MATLAB, it is a programming platform specifically designed for engineers and scientists. Well, the heart of the MATLAB is the MATLAB language, a metric-based language which allows the most natural expression of computational mathematics. So it includes, let's say, computation, visualization, and programming in an easy-to-use environment. So when we switch to MATLAB screen, we will see. Okay, so later on, my some of colleague will tell you how to go with the live script and the editor. So right now we will go with the editor and live editor. So what is that exactly? So when you create the script, okay, so in that let's say any program, program, so it contain the whatever logic you write there. Okay, so in live editor we can do let's say more advantageously. Let's say you have the code, its explanation. Okay, thereafter some formulas you can put. So this is the basic difference between editor and live editor. So we will see the difference between also. Okay, so this is the MATLAB desktop. So right now we have uh, our 2021 with us. Okay, so this is the current directory. Okay, so current path or the current folder which we are accessing. This is the editor or debugger. Here we do write our script, we do create our script. Okay, the command window where whatever program we execute or the command that we can see in command window, or through command window also we can go with the programming, but it is line by line. And this is the workspace browser. Here whatever command we execute, that goes to, or let's say whatever variable with some specific value we assign, that goes to the workspace browser. So let us see. This is the MATLAB. Okay, so as like similar version, so MATLAB R2020A version which is recently launched. Okay, this is the current path or the current directory. Here we can create our script. This is the command window and the workspace browser. So we will see we will some of the options. So here in MATLAB you can see how to create a script. So here is the option to create a new script or the new live script. So we will create one simple script here. Later on we will see new script. Okay, so just click on new script. Okay, and I will save this with, let's say, any name. I will create model 012. Okay, and I will just save this. Okay, so it have the extension .m. You can see here this file is created with extension of mat m. So it is the MATLAB file. Okay, so